Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What is craniology the study of? Is it A. The characteristics of the skull? B. Mythological beings? C. Angels and demons? Or D. Large machinery? The answer is A. The characteristics of the skull.
Craniology, the study of skull characteristics, once captivated 19th-century scientists who believed skull shapes could reveal personality traits and intelligence. This pseudoscience influenced phrenology, where bumps on the head were thought to indicate mental faculties. Though debunked today, craniology laid groundwork for modern anthropology and forensic science techniques.
Question 2. With which animals do you associate the disease myxomatosis? Is it A. Pigeons? B. Pigs? C. Chickens? Or D. Rabbits? The answer is D. Rabbits.
Myxomatosis, a viral disease primarily affecting rabbits, was introduced in Australia in the 1950s to control the booming rabbit population. The virus led to a dramatic decline, reducing numbers from 600 million to just 100 million within 2 years. This drastic measure highlights the complex balance between wildlife management and ecological impact.
Question 3. What is the fluid which surrounds a fetus known as? Is it A. Birth fluid? B. Amniotic fluid? C. Placental fluid? Or D. Grow juice? The answer is B. Amniotic fluid.
Amniotic fluid, the protective liquid surrounding a fetus, is not just a cushion but also plays a crucial role in fetal development. It helps regulate temperature, allows for movement which aids muscle and bone growth, and even contains nutrients. Remarkably, the fetus swallows this fluid and then releases it as urine.
Question 4. Cocci, Spirilla, and Streptococci are types of what? Is it A. Gland? B. Blood cell? C. Bacteria? Or D. Virus? The answer is C. Bacteria.
Cocci, Spirilla, and Streptococci are fascinating bacterial shapes that resemble tiny art forms under a microscope. Cocci are spherical like little pearls, Spirilla twist like spirals in a dance, and Streptococci form chains reminiscent of strings of beads. These diverse shapes help bacteria adapt to various environments and functions.
Question 5. Which planet has the longest orbit around the Sun? Is it A. Saturn? B. Uranus? C. Jupiter? Or D. Neptune? The answer is D. Neptune.
Neptune, the distant blue giant, takes a staggering 165 Earth years to complete one orbit around the Sun. Discovered in 1846, it finally completed its first full orbit since discovery in 2011. This icy world is so far away that sunlight takes over 4 hours to reach it.
Question 6. In computer networking, what do the initials HTTP stand for? Is it A. Hypertext Transfer Protocol? B. Hard Time Telecommunications Pact? C. High Top Transduction Paths? Or D. Head-to-tail photons? The answer is A. Hypertext Transfer Protocol.
HTTP, or Hypertext Transfer Protocol, is the foundation of data communication on the World Wide Web. It was invented by Tim Berners-Lee in 1989. HTTP allows web browsers and servers to communicate seamlessly, enabling users to access websites with a simple click, transforming how we share and consume information globally.
Question 7. What is criminology the study of? Is it A. Human growth, B. Crime, C. The color red, or D. Spiders? The answer is B. Crime.
Criminology delves into the fascinating world of crime, exploring not just the acts themselves but also the societal factors that influence criminal behavior. It combines psychology, sociology, and law to understand why crimes occur and how they can be prevented. This field even examines how media shapes our perceptions of crime.
Question 8. What type of matter is a positron? Is it A. Dark matter, B. Fluid matter, C. Antimatter, or D. Matter waves? The answer is C. Antimatter.
A positron is the antimatter counterpart of an electron, possessing the same mass but a positive charge. When a positron encounters an electron, they annihilate each other in a burst of energy, typically producing gamma rays. This fascinating interaction is utilized in PET scans to help visualize metabolic processes in the body.
Question 9. What is the word for a group of kangaroos? Is it A. A down, B. A nest, C. A troop, or D. A bevy? The answer is C. A troop.
A group of kangaroos is called a troop or sometimes a mob. These social marsupials can leap up to 30 feet in a single bound and travel at speeds of over 35 miles per hour. Troops often consist of around 10 individuals, led by the dominant male known as the boomer.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember, in the universe of knowledge, curiosity is your gravity. Stay curious and keep orbiting the world of science and nature. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. See you later, until tomorrow comes around.
This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.